Hey everybody, we lost one of the greatest philosophers of the 20th century. Jürgen Habermas died yesterday. He was 96 years old, and so I just want to tell you quickly about a small book he wrote, which might be the best place to start if you've never read him, although you have to hold some tension, which is why I think it fits very well here in the Holding Paradox Beyond Dichotomy with Love and Philosophy project. It's called The Future of Human Nature. I'm going to put you a link in the show notes so you can read it for free. If you want to talk about it, maybe we'll do a book group or something, but it's short, it's dense. It could be exactly what we need right now because it talks about a lot of very difficult issues. You have to be able to hold the tension to be able to read it and talk about them, even though it is a short read. It's basically asking, what is a good life? What kind of beings are we? He's asking, and what do we owe people around us? What are we? What kind of beings are we going to be? He's talking about engineering of life. So again, it's hard stuff. How much are we going to control the future? And I think we can think about this through AI now too. Some of these arguments that he's making and ideas that he's raising do receive a lot of criticism, so we should hold it all together. But it's about the gift of life. He's asking, when does a gift become a decision for someone, for life? When are we making a decision for new life versus gifting that new life something when we're able to enhance it? And this is a really hard question. I think that a lot of people are dealing with now in all kinds of ways. A lot of people even that we've talked with here, and his idea, or his answer, I guess, is built around the idea that receiving someone as they arrive is not something that we're trying to design and then get, but just receiving them as themselves, unknown, other. The otherness is very important. That is a very interesting thing to think about in all kinds of ways when it comes to the way many of people feel about technology right now, but also the way we feel about one another as we decide how to move forward together into the future. He's really calling for us to kind of understand life in a way that's very intimate and very open. I don't know if that would apply to the way people are thinking about what's happening now with possibilities of other creatures being conscious and cognitive. I'm thinking about plants and animals, but I know some people think about artificial intelligences. From all those different angles, I think this is something interesting to explore together and a way to hold the tension. And just also, I just want to give this to you as a tribute to Habermas, who really spent his life trying to think through a lot of ethical, phenomenological, critical, difficult questions. From all reports of everyone I know who knew him, he was a good person, an interesting person, a person of strong presence. I just want to acknowledge that he's passed away, and the link is in the description to his book. Thanks, Jürgen. Rest well.